Una though my people from anywhere in the world where you dey watch my video, I greet you now. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for this data analytics matter. For inside this video, I go sama una how you fit convert your date to text for inside the Excel. If you never subscribe, put for my channel. Now the correct time be this, make you subscribe, put for my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification button and then don't forget to share this video. Give person wey be say they learn faster if they hear the thing for pidgin English. So make we sharparly go do am now. So now you go start am with equal sign. If you dey wonder wetin equal sign, why I dey start am with equal sign, na im be say you dey new for inside this Excel and data analytics matter, sharparly run go inside my channel, go watch all the better video wey I don sama una take teach beginner for Excel and data analytics matter. I promise you say you go learn better thing for inside my channel. Now as I don put equal sign, I go come put text. As I put text now, I go come press tab. Now e go come, e don dey ask me say wetin the value, where the value of the thing wey I wan do. Now I go come here, this place wey dem call start date. E fit be anything for inside your own, na you know wetin you wan analyze put for inside your own. I go come press comma. Now if you look at this place now, na im be say my own computer format e dey for day, month and year. If you no know wetin I mean, go to the right side of the down part and the right side of your computer where dem dey put date and time. Check am and then you go see the format wey your own date dey. Na that date na im matter, na im you go use, but my own dey for day, month and year. And for the purpose of this video, na this year I wan comot for inside this date. So as na the year I wan comot, I go come do this inverted comma, come put y. Na im be say 4y, so that e go carry all the 4 numbers wey dey for inside here. Come put another inverted comma, press enter. E don show you, see am now, e don comot the year wey I want. If I click am now, all the date e don reach for here. Na so we dey do for am. You fit, if for you na you know wetin you wan analyze, you fit do date day for your own and you fit do month for your own. And then make I sharparly show you one thing now. See this thing e work because this my date, e dey for date format. If I come here now, come put, make I put anything, any of the date, make I do 10/08/2003. Now if you reason am now, this my own, the new one wey I just write now, if you reason am, you go see say e dey for the left side. Everything wey I write then gather put for the left side of this my cell. And but this one, all of them gather dey for the right side of my cell. If you see any date for inside Excel wey dey like this, na im be say na the text format the date dey. See am now, e don put text for here. And this one, my own, e dey for date format. Look am here now. And then the new one wey I do, if you click am now, e dey for date format. If you see anything wey dey like this and you do this formula, e go give you problem. E go give you better problem for inside your analysis. So make I give you one sample of the thing of wetin I dey talk now. I will go come do equal to text tab, click on this one, comma, inverted 1 2 3 4. See am now, nothing happen because this thing now e dey for text format. Don't forget to subscribe, put for my channel, and don't forget to share this video, give people wey be say they dey learn best for pidgin English. I go see you for my next video. Bye.